Now, there is a related, you might think of almost as an equivalent theme in the realm of genomics, and this is referred to as epigenetics. Epigenetics is the science of how our genes are regulated. So all of us have a sequence of base pairs which constitute our DNA. And for the most part, for most of us, that's not going to change over the course of our lifetimes, except under unusual circumstances. But what will change is the extent to which any gene is turned on or turned off. Our genes are highly dynamic in that way. And this is really kind of amazing. You can think of genes having little volume controls that go from low to high. And there are many factors which influence the setting of those volume controls, including behavioral, environmental factors, our emotional demeanor, and so forth. Just to give an example, we know that the way a mother behaves toward her offspring can induce epigenetic changes in the offspring. And those epigenetic changes alter brain structure, brain chemistry, systemic biology, and our behavior and experience. And so, moreover, very recent research indicates that these epigenetic changes can actually be transmitted across at least a couple of generations. Now, some of you, I'm sure, have heard about the intergenerational transmission of trauma, which certainly occurs, and epigenetics is in part a mechanism responsible for that. And there's good scientific evidence to show that. I'd like to invite you to consider the possibility of the epigenetic transmission of awakening. Same mechanism, very different outcome. But all of the data suggest that it's possible. And so we and other scientists have published evidence in hard-nosed scientific journals showing that meditation, particularly in long-term meditation practitioners, this is not something you see in beginning practitioners, but in long-term meditation practitioners, there are epigenetic changes that are induced by meditation practice. And those epigenetic changes influence many different systems in the brain and the body. And those epigenetic mechanisms may be passed down across generations. We don't know that latter piece. That has not yet been investigated in this realm. It has been in the realm of trauma. But because it's been found in response to trauma, there's no reason to believe it wouldn't also be found in this positive way. So that's something really important to consider.